After 50 years of experience at Garage Headquarters, we continue to appreciate that each customer has unique needs, tastes, and functional requirements. From the design assistance we provide before the project starts, through the installation, to the superior service we deliver years later, we accurately match the customer's overall design goals and vision to a collection of high-quality, functional products installed by certified, skilled technicians. Our wide selection of innovative, premium products complements any project, from traditional and historic architecture to stylish, contemporary, modern designs. For a superior design, installation, and service experience for your next doors and openers, call or click us at Garage Headquarters today.